Hi everyone, it's Aga from EurekaCrystalBeads.com and I'm here with another fun unboxing video for you. But before I get started, just a quick reminder to check out the rest of our channel, and if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss any of our content. So it's the middle of November 2025 and I have another LITE collection to unbox with you. This one is the Bubblescence beads collection. That's a fun new word that we came up with to name this collection. I really like it on paper, but let's see how it looks in real life. In case you're new here, Eureka Collections are our exclusive palettes of beads that we assemble based on an inspiration photo, which we launch every first Thursday of the month. And recently we started launching new LITE collections, which are smaller versions of our collections around the middle of the month on a Monday. And the great thing about Eureka Collections is that they're not a subscription, you just get whichever one you like. Okay, so it's certainly not a very small collection. I can see a lot of AB, a lot of bling. Let me tidy it all up and we'll discuss each of the products individually. And this is the collection, very shimmery, very AB, but it also has some more vibrant colors as well. First, in the pack, you get this very useful sheet in the front here. It has an inspiration paragraph that you can pause to read. So this collection is all about rainbow and flash, sparkles, pop, blink, sparkling, iridescent, shimmering, burst of joy. Yeah, that's the collection. And inside here, you get a full list of all of the products in the collection. As you can see, it's a pretty long list. You have all the names, colors, and the SKU numbers of the products, and you can enter those in the search bar at EurekaCrystalBeads.com. By the way, we have free domestic shipping starting at $39.99. You can check each product according to the number on the package and see which one it is. If you want to get more of any of them, it's really easy to get more. And then, of course, you get the inspiration photo, which in this case is this very vibrant picture of just some soap bubbles. And some of these beads in this collection actually do look a little bit like bubbles, so that's really, really neat. Let's put that back here. Okay, now let's start discussing the products in this collection with seed beads. So you get 2 sets of seed beads basically. First up, you get a big 20-gram bag of a custom Bubblescence mix made especially for this collection. These are Miyuki beads, and this is a mix of 15 O's, 11 O's, there's some 8 O's, and some 6mm bugle beads. It's a super pretty iridescent AB rainbow mix. And then for your cylindrical bead in this collection, you get a Toho Treasure in silver-aligned luster gray. So this is a gray bead that is silver-aligned, so it has this kind of internal glow. And it also has a luster finish. So it additionally has this slightly pearly glow on it as well. Then we have Czech beads, and you get this full tube of super duos in this really beautiful iridescent rainbow color. It's dark, but it has this metallic rainbow finish, and it's called Jet Full Apricot, which does not convey the color at all. I mean, like, why apricot? But jet means that the color of the glass that the coating is applied on is black. So that's that, and it's this metallic rainbow kind of petrol finish. Then you get a baggie of wave beads, and these also have this iridescent coating, super pretty. The color is called Tropical Blue Grape. So yeah, it definitely has some purple in it, definitely has some violet in it, but it also has kind of a teal iridescence. So it's very multicolor, and I love it. I love wave beads in general. When it comes to Czech bead strands, you get 2 of them. You get these lovely, transparent, 3mm round Rosaline AB beads. So these are just smooth and round. And then you get a 6mm bead also transparent in this beautiful coated lavender AB color. I really love it. It's beautiful. Shimmers so nicely. So these are the Czech bead strands. But you also get a set of 10 8mm round beads, which look exactly like soap bubbles. They are just crystal AB, and they have this shimmery, sparkly coating. They're really pretty. I really can't wait to figure out how to use them so that I don't, dim their sparkle, and so that they're still transparent and the AB is visible as well as it can. Then in the crystal bead section, we start with a 3x2mm Chinese faceted rondelle bead. There's over 100 of them on the strand, and this is blue iris mix. So there are slightly different shades on this strand, and they're also beautifully coated with this shimmery coating. It says iris, but it could as well be called AB. They are so shimmery and they sparkle with all those different colors, so they're also pretty. And they're opaque, so they provide kind of a grounding accent among all of those transparent beads. Then another crystal bead that you get is a 4mm Preziosa crystal bicone in just crystal AB. It's a classic. So these are kind of a crystal interpretation of soap bubbles, because the coating also reflects all of the colors of the rainbow. In terms of crystal stones, this collection really delivers. All of those are round stones, and in total you get 12 of them. You get 4 stones, 4 Rivoli stones in a brand new finish that we have. It's very interesting. I'm really curious what it will look like once bezeled. And this is called Aquamarine Transmission. So transmission is the coating. The aquamarine is the color of the crystal inside. And in real life, it really is so shiny, so sparkly. It's different than AB. It has kind of a more orange and pink glow, but there's also green and teal. It's really multi-dimensional. It's worth seeing it live. And you get 2 of the 16mm Rivolis and 2 of the 12mm Rivolis. But then you get not 6, but 8 chaton stones. These are 8mm chaton stones, and all of those are in our glitter finish, so they were already available. And these are, I think, all of the colors that we carry. You get the rose AB, though, let's be honest, this is just neon pink. Then you get light sapphire glitter, then aquamarine glitter, and the lavender. And I think lavender is my favorite. And I must say, I already have a vision. I'm gonna make earrings with all of those chatons, and maybe another pair of earrings with all of those Rivoli stones. Though I might be a little bit obsessed with earrings. Let me know what you would make with these stones, and if you would use them all together, or would you rather separate them by the finish, so the transmission separately and the glitters separately. Alright, and the last thing to talk about are the findings. Let me take them out of their bags. So in this LITE collection, you get 3 types of findings. They are all in this white gold plated finish, and it has nothing to do with gold really. It's more of our refined, fancy looking silver. And I really love the look of this finish, especially with all of those rainbow beads. And what you get is a pair of earring posts with a side-facing loop so that it's easy to attach your earrings directly to them. Then you get our, I think at this point, best-selling toggle clasp. It has this beautiful organic shape, and a lot of you really love it. And because of that, we also added some additional findings in the very same style. And these are these connectors, and I'm really curious to see what you make with them. They have these 2 loops on the 2 sides. This is like an arch, and you can hang it down from an earring. or you can use it in a bracelet, like to make a centerpiece, like a frame for a bezel, let's say. Wouldn't that be cool? Like this, and then you can put a bezel in the middle. Would be so cool. So these are the findings. It's not a lot, but these are the essentials, and we really focused on the quality in this collection and on everything harmonizing together. And that's our mid-November LITE collection, the Bubblescence collection LITE. Let us know in the comments if you like it and what you like about it the most. I think for me, the greatest highlight is this seed bead mix. I really love all the colors. It's so vibrant, but also not like in your face vibrant, if you know what I mean. Another highlight, I think, is this new finish of crystals, the transmission finish. So it's a different version of AB, I would say. It's just more striking than AB on stones. Another highlight, I love me some wave beads, so I'll be using them definitely. And I love this color, really interesting. Plus, of course, those beautiful findings that will really elevate anything that you make with this collection. You will find all of our currently available collections at eurekacrystalbeads.com. A full list of all of the supplies from this collection, which you can also buy separately, will be linked down below in the description. Meanwhile, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!